If you've ever been lucky enough to come to the beautiful big state of Texas, then you've heard about Brenham, Texas, and Bluebell ice cream. Bluebell ice cream is made right here in Brenham, Texas, and this is the Bluebell Creamery. It's located in the historic district of Brenham. Brenham is also part of the Blue Bonnet Trail, which is happening right now. The blue bonnet is the Texas state flower. And here is the famous Bluebell cow. People come from all over to visit, take a tour, or just have some ice cream. And there's Bluebell. Before COVID, they would do tours. You can still go through the store. You can see a lot of the plant. Do taste tests. It's a great place to come and visit. And the history is really fantastic. The grounds are beautiful. It's Texas right now. It's the very end of March. A little cloudy today, but that never stops anyone from wanting to see some beautiful flowers and taste some delicious ice cream. Here's your history of Bluebell. How it all started. Brenham, Texas is in Washington County. Great places here to visit. If you've ever heard of Chapel Hill sausage, Chapel Hill, Texas is one city over, famous for their wonderful sausages. But this is Brenham, and this is Bluebell. I'll walk over here to the old ice cream truck. So I am a born Texan, lived here 52 years. And believe it or not, my family would get our milk delivered every week by the milkman. His name was Mr. Bill. And he was a part of our family. So these kind of memories really hit me in the heart. But that's exactly what the Bluebell trucks look like when they delivered. 1930s Bluebell antique Ford truck. How cool is that, guys? That's cool. There's your visitor center. A few more directions on how to get to the actual parlor so you can taste some of this deliciousness. But there she is. Bluebell Creameries, Brenham, Texas. Come visit. What a cute car. Great guy. Thanks, guys.